Hey, happy Tuesday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, today I wanted to cover a new Zorin distro I was reading about over the weekend. Looks like Zorin released a version 18 Pro. It's a distribution of Linux. It's a little, a little easier to deal with than some of the more, complicated versions. The Zorin 18 Pro looks like it's a new distro that makes migration from Windows easier for folks. It's got tips, it's got guides that suggest which Linux programmers work best with to replace Windows applications. It does suggestions along the way, and it seems like it's aimed at making migration easier for the Windows 10 folks. It's $49 and it offers paid install support and things like that. So it's if you don't mind the $49, it looks like an interesting way to migrate from Windows without having to do it all yourself, so to speak. Now I'm going to do a new series centering around the Zorin 18 core version. That's the free download that everybody can download, no extra charge, it's free. And look at how easy it is to come from Windows to Zorin, and see if that can help folks out. I'll be downloading it on my Linux laptop, and kind of doing some videos about how it works, what quirks it's got to make it a little easier than, say, Mint or some of the other Linux distributions out there, to make it easier to transition from Windows to Linux. So it looks like an interesting thing, and I'll get started on that series. We've got some PCs coming in. I've got an 8th gen, looks like it's a Dell, it's an Inspiron 3670, 8 gig i7, 8th gen i7 8700 with a 512 main, M.2 and 16 gigs of RAM. That one should come in right at $400 plus tax. I'm gonna put a little storage drive in it, things like that. So that one should be ready and out this afternoon. I've got a 5070 9th gen and a 5080 10th gen Dell Optiplex small forms coming out too. So we're going to have a good price range and a good selection. I think with that 10th gen i7, I'm going to try to do 32 gigs of RAM, a little video card, extra storage, that kind of thing. So I'll snazz that one up quite a bit. All right, well, come by and see us. We've got Windows 11, we've got Linux, and we've even got Windows 7 desktop if you need one. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and we're on fall and winter hours now, Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 6. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing, and y'all have a good week out there.